Welcome! In this lecture, we're going to practice the W sound. To make the W sound, raise your tongue to the middle of your mouth, but not touching anything. Then, round your lips. The W sound comes from your rounded lips, which open as the sound comes out. Now, Jenny is going to show us how to make this sound.
Wa, wa, wa. Wa, wa, wa. Wa, wa, wa.
The key sound for this lecture is W, W. Let's practice this key sound. I'll speak the green text like this. W, W. You should speak when you see the gray text like this. W, 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 W. W, 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 W. W, 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 W. W, 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 W. Next, let's practice some words that have the W sound at the beginning of the word. One, 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 one. What, 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 what. Whale, 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 whale. Wang, 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 wang. Wary, 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 wary. Next, let's practice some words that have the W sound in the middle of the word. Away, 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 away. Power, 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 power. Rowing, 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 rowing. Towel, 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 towel. Vowel, 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 vowel. Next, let's practice some words that have the W sound at the end of the word. For these words, your mouth will have a round shape at the end of the word. Bow, 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 bow. Cow, 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 cow. How, 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 how. Now, 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 now. Pow, 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 pow. Finally, let's practice some sentences that have words using the W sound. Why worry? Why worry? Why worry? Why worry? We went west. We went west. We went west. We went west. Willie won't wait. Willie won't wait. Willie won't wait. Willie won't wait. When will Wes walk? When will Wes walk? When will Wes walk? When will Wes walk? Would Wilma want wine? Would Wilma want wine? Would Wilma want wine? Would Wilma want wine? Congratulations! You've completed this lecture. In the next lecture, we're going to look at W and V together. See you then!